Hello? Who is it?
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Happy birthday, Anya.
Hello, Crony. Did you just wake up?
Yeah, I set an alarm just for you.
Oh my god, thank you. How is it going?
Me, it's
Yeah.
going wonderful. I had a great sleep.
Yeah.
Oh, what about you? How's your
Mm,
birthday
I
going?
have been having a good day. Come to think of it though, it's gonna be your birthday too in like a few days, right?
Oh god, you're right.
God.
Yes.
I am excited for it. How about you?
I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm kind of scared. But let's not talk about that.
Oh my god.
Because the main focus is you.
Thank you so much, Crony. Even though
Oh,
it's so
thank
early
you.
for you. Thank you.
Yeah, happy. Wait.
Well,
No. Happy.
what were you gonna say? Yes, happy.
No, no. Happy. I love
Oh,
forever.
love
Happy
forever.
birthday.
Thank
Good night.
you. Good night. Have a good sleep, Crony. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, anytime. I
Yes.
love.
Yeah, please go back to sleep,
Yes.
actually. Please do. please do go back to sleep.
Okay, but happy birthday. Bye.
Bye, Crony. Thank you. Oh my god.